Southwest Asia test. Please write your name, the date, and your class period. Question number 1. What is the definition of conflict? Your answer choices are A, two countries getting along, B, the climax in a story, C, a disagreement between people, or D, part of a resolution. Question number 2. Use the diagram and your knowledge of social studies to answer the following questions. The diagram above illustrates the key concepts of which religion? A, Hinduism, B, Islam, C, Buddhism, or D, Christianity. Question number 3. All of the terms below define conflict except for A, fight, B, peace, C, argument, D, struggle. Question number 4. The Arab Spring refers to all except the following. A wave of protests occurred during 2010 and 2011. B, spring in Tunisia. C, Middle East and North Africa demonstrations. Or D, pro-democracy driven. Question number 5. Taking pride in a country's people and culture is known as A, nationalism, B, communism, C, isolationism, D, capitalism. Question number 6. What language do most people in Southwest Asia speak? A, Chinese, B, Vietnamese, C, Arabic, or D, Lebanese. Question number 7. Some of the countries in Southwest Asia are also part of the A, Northeast, B, Southeast, C, Middle East, D, Far East. Question number 8. One of the effects of the Arab Spring was A, no changes were made in any country, B, rulers promoted protest, C, some countries made changes to their constitutions, or D, unpopular officials were promoted. Question number 9. According to the Arab Spring, governments were overthrown in A, Yemen and Syria, B, Egypt and Tunisia, C, Saudi Arabia and Iran, or D, Kuwait and Oman. Question number 10. The first demonstrations in the Arab Spring started A, in Bahrain in May 2001, B, in Yemen in January 2011, C, in Syria in December 2010, or D, in Libya in September 2000. Question number 11. The protest began when A, Middle Easterners began watching YouTube, B, people wanted more restricted government, C, Malala was shot, or D, a 26-year-old worker burned himself alive. Question number 12. Judaism, Christianity, and Islam originated in Southwest Asia. What is the name of the region of these monotheistic religions? Is it A, Northeast, B, Southeast, C, Northwest, or D, Middle East? Question number 13. Which country is consuming more oil than they are producing? Is it A, Australia, B, Mexico, C, United States, D, Russia? Question number 14. Oil petroleum is used for all of the following except A, fuel, B, plastics, C, cleansers, D, glass. Question number 15. Which international region has the most oil reserves, making it extremely important to other countries? Is it A, North America, B, Africa, C, South America, or D, Middle East? Question number 16. Excessive differences in the distribution of oil has led to many blank among Southwest Asian countries. Is it A, agreements, B, opportunities, C, conflicts, D, benefits? For questions 17 through 20, you will match the image to the correct religion. If you look at 17, 18, 19, and 20, they each have their own answer choice. Your answer choices A, B, C, and D are mixed to match one of the images. Your answer choices are A, Christian, which would be a church, B, Buddhism, which would be a temple, C, a minaret, which would be something that would be in Islam on a mosque, or D, Judaism, which would be synagogue. Please take your time, go back and check your answers. Double check all of your bubbles. If you changed your bubbles, please make sure you erase the one you feel that you will not be using. Make sure you erase it well. Make sure your name is written on your test. Good luck and take your time.